Hi everyone, this is PhD Natural Me, and this is Vlog from the Road, the Keto RV lifestyle. Stay tuned.
Hi.
Hey everyone.
This is changing the RV plug.
Okay, wait a minute. He did say hi. Did you say
Hi. Yes, I said hi.
Okay.
This is how you change an RV plug that went bad. Save yourself some money. Learn how to do it yourself. Remove the old head, which is not easy. Yeah.
Here we go.
And then this is your old head.
Let me see.
This is your new head.
Okay. And what are those?
These are the wires.
That's a wire cutter?
Mm-hmm.
I let him handle this.
Mike,
And he was right. There is no downtime too much.
see, I'm in the bed and I'm still working hard.
Violin. Oh, that's pretty cool.
Did you close that department door out there, Michael? Did you close the department door?
Yes.
Because somebody's out there.
Woo!
First you cut that off, then you separate all this garbage. That's protective for the wires. See?
It's three of them.
The green is your ground, your white is your neutral, and your white is your positive.
The black.
The black.
3 wires.
This one has to be cut 6 inches.
6 inches? Oh, to go in there. 6? That long? Okay, you gotta cut them off.
Where's your sharp knife at, Mike?
Now, if you do this yourself, we're not telling you to do it. Do it
No,
at your
I
own
am
risk.
not an electrician.
No, he's just my man. Not just my
Then you
man.
use your wire cutters, and you try to cut your wire right.
Try not to cut too much off so it won't cut the wire.
See, now, if it was me, I probably would have taken this to somebody, and I don't know how much they would charge.
100 and they get working on RV. They charge you about $100 an hour, and they do everything within that hour. They charge you from 90 to 100.
This I got off of Amazon for less than $9. And we also purchased the new shortboard, and that wasn't that expensive. Why are we switching this out? What happened?
Because this plug was burnt. It's got a surge from a box that we plugged in, burnt it, and it's kind of loose, and I don't want to take a chance of setting anything on fire, but I want to experiment with this later to see how bad. Maybe another video.
Yeah.
Do we have black tape? Black tape.
pull, you have to pull them out to get the wires on because it connects the screw to hold the outside face on.
Do you think it's worth getting this or just getting the new shore cord, the whole cord itself?
Doing this?
Yeah.
Yeah. You have a backup.
Oh, okay.
That's the purpose of this, not to use on a regular basis anymore, but it's good to have a backup. That way, something go wrong, you would have a backup cord and you won't be stranded. We have been backed up and stranded a lot of times, but we always had a backup plan.
Backup. Well, you back up too. These are my quilting pins. I want a sewing machine so badly, but there's no room for it. I'm redoing my quilt. The quilt is 20 years old. That's why I'm redoing it. I'm not getting rid of it. I know they say don't sew old, new to old, but I've done that a couple of times, and I love the quilt. I'll make this. It'll be good. Is it still recording?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. What happened? Got more?
Yeah. I want to make sure I get it wrapped around here. Very good.
Okay.
Did you get the pliers, Michael?
These are good. Oh, no, that's the paint. Just have to go all the way around.
And you wrap it around like that. And you push it down like that. Could have used my needle pliers.
Oh, okay.
No, I have.
My mom always had a set of needle nose pliers. Those are
They go
good.
break
Catch
it.
all for everything. wire sticking out anywhere.
Then you take your plugs and you push back down into the holes,
There.
and they should come out, hopefully, nice and clear.
Doesn't matter which side. We don't know. We'll find out. If it goes poof, then we know what's wrong.
Well, since I'm down, it's up to my wife to redo this and plug it up, and my son.
We
So
got
hopefully
another
my
cord.
work is good.
His work is good. His work is good.
A woman always have to say something to make you doubt yourself and redo it.
No, I wasn't saying it for that. I was just saying because I saw it coming across, and I know that.
And that's why I'm trying to move,
Okay.
because you said something.
Okay.
And then you put the face on.
You don't put this on?
Not yet. Oh, you said no much.
There's two.
The sign is that shiny, yeah. And then you screw this back in.
We took this all apart yesterday or the day before because I was trying to figure out how to use. This is a long story. I was trying to figure out how does this work. Sorry we didn't show you that. You need a lot of muscle to get those screws out. Well, we did anyway. Is it tightening up?
Yeah. Gotta put the screws back in. Not yet. That's that. And then you put this on and you're done.
If it's not fit, take the middle out of it.
I want to smell.
Thank you. Where's Michael back there?
I don't talk much while I'm working, but it's almost done. Once you screw this in, all done.
It's sticking up over there.
It ain't done yet.
Okay.
Said once you screw it in.
Yes.
And that's how you replace the head.
Yay! Thank you.
I will plug that up later.
Okay.
Okay, all done.
Bye. Press the top button. No, the other one.